So we have highlighters. One of my most used highlighter palettes for 2018 is the Lime Crime Opals palette. This is a cult classic for me. I love the gold shade the most. The gold is definitely my favorite, but I get use out of all three. You can always see me sporting the gold on my inner corner, brow bone, cheeks, nose, like everywhere. I'm wearing this today. It is one of my favorites. The price point is pretty good for the amount of product you get, and the quality is amazing. I own a few Lime Crime highlighter palettes and I just love them. On the more affordable route, we have Wet n Wild. I love their highlighters. This is one of their limited edition ones, but they do have a ton of permanent line ones. These are amazing, especially for the price. Like, you cannot beat Wet n Wild's prices. They are astounding. I absolutely love them. This is like a white to blue shift highlighter. It's so pretty. Another affordable highlighter we have is Colorpop Spellbound. Now, mine came broken, as you guys can see, but I do have a backup that is not broken. But this is such a beautiful glittery purple shade. It is my #1 highlighter ever. I love it to death. If they ever discontinue it, I will buy like a million. Like, I don't know if you guys can like even like see that, but it's just so pretty. It's my favorite. You guys can see me wearing it like over top of a million different highlighters like all the time. That is how much I am obsessed with it. Lastly, for highlighters, we have the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit. I was so happy when this came out this year. It is such a fun and beautiful palette. I know a lot of people are getting sick of the fun highlighter palettes, but for me, this is so up my alley. As you guys can probably see, I am like going through this pink one like crazy. I always use this shade. That is my most favorite shade. All of these I love using together. They're just so beautiful, and ABH has amazing quality highlighters. It is a little bit more on the expensive side, but they are worth it. The quality is impeccable. Okay, well that is everything for my best beauty of 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to comment down below, subscribe, and thumbs up this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye. This is